Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do a payment to Philippines from Revolut. So what you'll need to do is open up your app and then go to the payments. As you can see right here, then click on the top right corner right here on this plus icon and then select international. After that, you will be able to see available countries right here, or you can just search for a country right here in the search bar. So let's type Philippines, and then you will be able to select the amount that you want to send. You will be able to select from the card or bank, and that's pretty much it, guys. After that, you will need to put some info and you will be good to go. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.